Hi guys, and welcome back. Let me introduce you to the new slot on my channel, the Mystery Art Box slot. Every month we will have a look inside this box and there will be mystery art supplies that I have to create artwork with. It's a little bit like a subscription art box, except I'm using art supplies I have already and that perhaps I've forgotten about or I haven't used in a long time, and I thought it's something helpful to boost inspiration. So let's take a look and see what's in today's very first mystery art box. As you can see, I have repurposed an old box and I made it, obviously, myself. And we open it up and I've put a bird picture, a drawing of the strawberry finch, I think you can see on my channel, and that's just for the lid. And then inside, this is the paper I used to create the strawberry finch, and it's the Strathmore toned blue mixed media blue paper, except it does look grey to me. Then we have a box of people pebbles, and these are by Crayon Rocks, and they, if we're careful with the lid, we slide the lid off, you can see they're Crayon Rocks in different colours, and these are for drawing people, hence why they're called people pebbles. The skin tones and whatever you need are just for drawing people, and I think that's a really helpful idea because I don't draw people very well and I don't really like drawing people, so just having the skin tones together in a box is really good. And then I have, and there's 3 sticks in one colour, so they're all the same colour. Can you see here? Sometimes I use these, and because they're so expensive to buy these, I hardly use these, but I've got 3, so I thought why not, we can take a look and see what they're like. And they're the Neo Art, and these are real chunky crayons, so I do like those. I've got that. And what else is in here? I think this is the last thing. Again, this was by Karen Diash, and it's a Neo Pastel. So let's take a look at that. And they've dropped on the floor, but this is a yellow one, and I think the other one was a blue. So again, these are water soluble, and they're thinner, and they're just a Neo Pastel. So the box is empty except for that little label. We'll close this and we'll get on and see what we can come up with. Guess what I've just discovered? I've made a big mess. But you see those the Neo pastels, they are here at the back there, the red and the yellow. They're not water soluble. They are in fact oil pastels. So I was planning on doing a lovely background here that was going to be blended like a sunset, but it didn't work, so we're going to have to try and see what we can make from that. The bottom part is the water soluble Neo Art Pastel, but those two, the red and the yellow at the back, not water soluble. Just thought I would let you guys know. here we are at the end. It was very difficult actually, but it turned out fun in the end. So, in case you really can't tell what it is, I will explain. We have the ground is this lovely carmine pink, and it's a bit like a fire tree I'm capturing. So I've done a lovely sunset background, and this tree is kind of a silhouette, so the trunk is black and the foliage, you can see, is a kind of fire swirly colour. I'm really pleased I created this mystery box. I'm looking forward to see what will be in my next mystery art box. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Let me know in the comments below if you are liking my new time slot for the mystery art box. Bye!